Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing this. Yes, it is Adam from Hubspoke Media. Hi, hand model here. Today we have received the all-new DJI Neo with the Fly More combo. Really excited about this drone. Loads of people talking about it on social media, and we are looking forward to learn a bit more. As you know, we do drones. We get asked more and more with FPV, and actually it is an area that we're doing, and we thought this would be the perfect place to start. So, without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Right, let's see what we've got in the box. Scan the QR code before first use. I will do that. There we go. Look at this drone. Such a small unit. And this is partly the attraction of the DJI Neo because it has full prop guards on there, which obviously stop people from trapping their fingers. Really light. I think if I remember right, it's about 135 grams. And obviously it's got the bumpers on there, and you've got the different button to do the different modes if you're flying without the remote control. What else do we get in the box? I'll just pop that over there. Let's have a look over here. Packaging always good, as is with DJI. So in here, with it being a Fly More combo, we obviously have lots of bits and bobs. Oh, there we go. They're going all over the place. Okay, so we have the dock, the charging station. Now, if you're used to flying bigger drones, look how tiny these are right here. So there's the other batteries in there where you can put your other batteries in, obviously charge the dock with all three batteries, plugging in with USB-C, and you can charge them right there, and you can press the power button normally and you'll get a status update on whether the batteries hold any charge. What else do we get? Okay, so we've got the remote controller. Oh, there we go. Look how sleek that design is. So this is a motion controller that you use. You've obviously got the trigger there to control your speed. I believe this wheel here is for the gimbal. I assume that's for recording. I think that's a safety button. So if you're having a problem, you hit that button and it stabilizes. And you've got your return to home button here along with the joystick. I'm very much learning how to use this controller and how it links, because you use it by moving your hands. Further into the box, what have we got? Here we go. This is one of the things that I'm most interested to see. I'm just going to pop that to the side. And it is the DJI N1, I believe, FPV goggles. So it's not the full set of goggles that you get with the DJI Avata 2. It is a different unit, slightly cheaper unit, and making it more cost effective, giving a bigger opportunity for people to embrace the market. And obviously you've got the adjustable head strap on the back. So really excited. You've got a selector up here. You've got a space for an SD card, I'm assuming, if you want to record your live captures, and some funky antennas. Let's have a look in here. Oh, there we go. What a lovely product this is. There we go. So we've got a full HD screen, I believe, in the monitor, which if we turn on, let's have a quick look through. Can't see anything yet. So I think for me, fantastic. So we've got the goggles, we've got the controller, charging batteries, and obviously the drone itself, along with a couple of spare sets of propellers. Not that I'd anticipate that you'd need to replace them too much with having these guards on here. And then of course a USB cable as well, and a leash should you wish to tie the controller to your hand. All the instructions and care information in there, along with a DJI sticker, and make sure that you have a read. And obviously, to be compliant with the UK drone regulations, make sure you check up on what's required, such as marking your drone and this, that and the other. You'll also see faintly etched into the plastic, it is defined as a Class 0 drone. And if you have a look at the Civil Aviation Guidance, it tells you where you can fly this. So all in all, fantastic drone by all accounts. I'm looking forward to flying it. There we go. We've got the camera on the front there, which articulates up and down. Obviously no side to side, but you do that by moving the drone itself. And we will share with you in due course first footage of us flying it. So that's all from today. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you've got any questions, leave a note in the comments.